So, because atoms are very small, extremely small, we won't use gram. Difficult. We won't use gram to measure the mass of atom. It's not convenient because 1 gram contains 10 to the power 23. 10 to the power 23. Like this. 10 to the power 23 number of atoms. So we won't use gram to specify the mass of the atom because they are very small. Then we chemists define carbon-12. We define ourselves carbon-12 atom to be 12 and no units. 即係夾硬俾一個數字佢，即係話呢個係12㗎啦，係啦，跟住即係咁樣嘅 relative isotopic mass 就係咁做，就係夾硬俾一個數字佢。Okay, then other elements, how can we measure their mass? They can measure the mass of, for example, if I say 1 helium 4, maybe 3 helium 4 atoms equals to the mass of 1 carbon 12 atom. Then what's the mass of helium? So this is 12.00. This is 12.00. Then how about helium 4? 12. 3 helium 4 atom equals to 1 carbon 12 atom. Then what's the mass of this? Sorry, it's a bit small. So 3 helium 4 atoms equals to 1 carbon 12 atom. If they measure like this, we compare. Then how about helium 4? What's the mass of it? This is 12.00. Then this is? Yes, this is 4.00. That means we compare. After we set carbon 12, after we define carbon 12 as 12.00, we compare all other elements with carbon 12 and have all the mass of different isotopes, and we call this relative isotopic mass. Okay? So this is something that we define. So we don't have units. So let us go back to the definition. The relative isotopic mass of an isotope of an element is the mass of an atom on the carbon 12 equals to 12 scale. 即係 set 咗一個，其他全部咧都係 compare 出嚟嘅，係啦 ，set 咗一個之後，其他全部都係 compare 出嚟嘅。咁 set 咗 carbon 12係等於12.00，其他咧就全部 compare 出嚟，跟住有一句好重要 ，that is relative isotopic mass is approximately equal to mass number of the isotopes。即係話其實就係個 mass number。咁所以之後如果問你 chlorine 35, what is the relative isotopic mass of chlorine 35? It is 35.00. No unit, remember. Because we said only, not gram, not kilogram, etc. Just no units, just a number. Alright? Just the mass number of the isotopes. Okay, now do question and answer now, here. So do it now.